Alright, I got it at CVS today. They have the Easter. Well, this is the same one, just like the springtime. Well, this is 3. It says 2 from. Well, I'm not gonna write it since I don't have much time. Alright, we're doing 3 Kinder Joys. And the bottle. Well, it's not a baby bottle, not just any baby bottle, it's just a candy. It's not a real. I'm just gonna have a lick. Gotta be careful with the sugar. Well, it's unhealthy, but it tastes good. I'm gonna get the ponies and Elinor just for a few minutes. Well, I'll have to take a shower soon. Before we end the video. I'm still continue streaming the Super Mario Odyssey for collecting moons. But tomorrow I won't able to play it because I have a lot of homework. If I do, I have bad grades at school. But let's put that back so I can eat it later. Alright, I gotta go do this quickly because I have to take a shower soon. Let me turn on the lights since I need to get Elinor and the ponies, since I don't have much time. Also, I'm going to get the Nintendo Switch so I could do the... Well, I'm not going to put on the TV because I don't have much time because I just bought a new game in New Jersey. If not, I might have to play in person instead of streaming. And Zeke, you're also coming to stream with us. Well, Malik and Zadie are sleeping. And Elinor. Oopsies. I'll go pick up the plushies later. Alright, let's leave it in bed. For now. Alright. Well, I'm not gonna eat the chocolate since I don't have much time. So I could eat it tomorrow. So what do you think, Zeke? Yay! Easter eggs! Hugs! Wombat hug! Alright, let go, Zeke. No more. Oh. Alright, Fluttershy. Yep, can't wait. Oh, bottle! Well, it's not a real one. Fluttershy, are you crying? Alright, Fluttershy, this is not a real baby bottle, it's just a candy baby bottle. Alright, Applejack, are you excited? Yeah. Well, I'm gonna do this quickly. Right, Apple Bloom? Yeah. Scottaloo? Yeah. I forgot the name, maybe Sweetie Baby. Yeah. Twilight, you want some bottle? Since you're a baby, Twilight Sparkle? Yes. Alright, drink it up. Not just any real baby bottles. What do you think? Do you want some... Orange! This is not an orange. It's strawberry flavor or raspberry. Yep, this strawberry. Alright, Applejack doesn't like strawberry. He loves apples and oranges. Right, Pinkie Pie? Yeah, I want some Pinkie Pie flavor. Alright then. I don't know if you're gonna like this. What about you, Rarity? Not bad. Alright. Rainbow Dash? It's good. Baby Fluttershy? Yeah, it's good. And Rarity, except you're not gonna drink it since you don't like it. Alright. Alright, Twilight Sparkle. Alright, I'm going to do this quickly. Alright, Elinor. Are you excited to unbox the Kinder Joy? Yeah. Well, the lens is a little dirty to me. Sorry, Elinor, hold on. Alright, it's clean now. Yep, back to normal. Alright, Elinor, let's start. Well, I'm not gonna eat the chocolate since it's getting late and it's too early. Well, it's unhealthy. If not, I'm just gonna take a look at the tour. Just one egg. Alright, let's start with this one. I guess I'm going to open the chocolate at the end, since I don't have much time. Oh, come on. And here's the toy. Look like, hold on, I can't. It's a chicken. Sorry about that, I don't want to get any copyright claims because my dad is taking a shower. Well, I'm going to have a shower soon because I have to go to sleep and eat dinner. Well, I'm not going to build this, but we just made a chicken. Or a chick. So I'm going to leave it right here. And the flyer. Oh, we also got some hard stickers. Some cardboard hardcover stickers. And the flyer. Alright, I'm not gonna open the chocolate until we finish the last egg. This time we're not gonna use flyer and sticker tour of this egg surprise of a toy. The collection or something. Ooh, we got a ladybird. However, ladybird is it's a British word. In United States is ladybug. Just like Ladybird Lou from Lou and the Bolly Bunch. It's a British show. It aired on CBeebies and Cartoonito. I haven't watched the Cartoonito in the United States yet, but I will watch it maybe during spring break because I have school days. Ooh, I didn't know that. You have to put it right here at the base. Kind of looks like Minnie Mouse face or Mickey. Well, that's not Mickey Mouse. It's a ladybird or a ladybug. Alright, there we go. I'm not going to show you the flyer ever again, and the stickers also, since this is the same. Alright, last one. Ooh, let's see what we got here. Oh, we got a lamb, or a sheep, or, yeah. Well, I'm not going to build it, but we just made a body. I don't know, where does it go? I'm going to skip build this video. And another piece. Oh, forgot the tail. Goes right here. Alright, I'm sorry everybody, but I have to end the video, but we finished it. And here's another sticker. Well, it's just made of a tree. It's just a piñata. Kind of looks like a Fortnite piñata. Hey, Fluttershy, look. It's a mutant Pegasus.
Wait, is that a piñata?
Yep, Fluttershy.
Give me this. I love it.
Fluttershy, wait. Never mind. Alright, that's all we have for today. Alright. Well, actually, I'm not going to open the chocolate in this video since I have to take a shower right now. So, I'm going to open this tomorrow in the morning, but without video. Because I don't have much time. And I'll keep the spoons away. Alright, thank you for watching. And Fluttershy. I forgot to take a picture of the Kinder box. But I will take a picture with these instead. Since, I forgot to take a picture. Alright, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's just my, sorry. Let me move the, alright, that will be it.